it's me. So today we're going to be doing the car like section of that Amazon find video. What's happening? So basically I'm just gonna talk about what part I'm doing and then I'm gonna show the clips. So my first little thing was the like goopy car cleaner. Alright guys, so we're gonna try to do this so I don't show outside of my car. Just because I didn't feel like going anywhere, you know what I'm saying? So I need to clean my car. You can see all that dust. Unacceptable. And then I need to clean, that's not my mask, that's my mom's mask. But I need to go ahead because I have more. Like, look at this. Disgusting. This stuff is from them actually. Because I don't like to put stuff in there, so I know that's from them. And I need to clean out in there. You know. And I'm also gonna be putting the stuff I got from Amazon in here. So yeah, let's get started. Alright, so I cleaned the trash out. There's my trash bag on the floor. And I'm gonna try this stuff. I haven't opened it yet, so we're gonna do that right now. Can I do this with, oh yeah. Oh, sorry. This is not the easiest to do one-handed. I'll tell you that. Ooh. Hold on, y'all. Let me take this out. This is kind of trifle. I don't like this. Come on out. Oh, I do not like this. Can I like only take some of it out, or does it all? Let me hold it with my thighs. Okay. Okay. So let's just try it on my steering wheel. Is it working? I don't know if this is working, y'all. And I don't like how it's sticking to my hands like this. Oh, it did work on that part. Oh, girl. It's running away. Okay, let's try it on here. Well, that works. Okay. On my vents. This is influencer champagne. Actually, yes it is. It's not. It's getting like the little hair things, but that's about, girl, if you don't stay in one position. I mean, it looks better than it did. I'm not gonna say that it didn't. Oh, okay, this is a good spot to test it. Hi, it's doing something. Bye. My mom's leaving to get a massage. Anyway, I would say this is doing something. I keep getting scared that it's gonna like come apart because it feels like be sticking to you like glue or something, but it doesn't, and it's kind of weird. Ooh, okay. It really did something right there. It's not perfect, but look at that side, and then look at this side. Ah! It picked up trash. Oh no. Oh wait, that's the cap. Okay. I'm gonna dump that in there, put the cap down, and then pick this back up. Oh, what is that? Oh, that's a lollipop stick. I didn't even know that was in there. Okay, get off of me. Alright, get off of me. Okay. It goes in the bag. Oh, I missed the bag. Okay. Pick this back up. Squish, squish, squish. I need to clean that spot off. I don't know what that is. Okay. And now, let me get some crevices. Go back over some spots, and then we're gonna tackle in there. Boop. Look how this looks. That's my fingernail right here. But like, it's getting some dirt. I can't say that it's not. Even if it didn't like take up everything, I'm still sitting here and wiping stuff down. I'll give it a 10 out of 10 just because of the addictive nature of still rubbing stuff. But as for performance, I'll give it an 8. So yeah, that was that. And then I just put on my little car hooks. I ordered another pack, but I accidentally put on my brother's address. So I don't have those. So I just put on the passenger side hooks instead of the driver's side hooks. So we're going to put these on. Can I do these without? Yeah, I can. Okay. So I'm going to put them this high. Because like I said, I don't want to see what's outside the car. So I'm going to put him. Actually, I need to put him on this side because... Well, actually, I ordered another pack, so it's fine. So I'm going to put him on this side. And then just, that seems like it should be more secure, but I guess it'll stay on there. Like, it's kind of wobbly. This one. You can't tell me that's not cute. You cannot tell me that's not cute. Like, so yeah, I put the dinosaurs on there. I didn't bring a bag or something to test it out, so we can test... Oh no, we can't even test my keys really because they're... Boom! So when my mom's driving my car and I don't feel like driving, I can come over here and just put my keys on there. Yes. Anyway. And then the only other things I had left were the disposable masks and my like cleaning cloths, which I found a place for those. We're gonna be doing the rest of the stuff except for these. These I'm just gonna put in my trunk because my trunk lifts up and like all my cleaning stuff is in there. So I'm gonna put those in there. Ooh, is there something in my eye? Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna put those in my trunk. What's in here? Oh, see, there's more cleaning stuff. Oh, that's hand sanitizer. Alright, I'll keep that in there. I literally have like 3 bottles of hand sanitizer. Oh! Soy, that's toy. Okay, I need to take that inside. See, I'd just be finding stuff. Alright, that goes in the trash up there. Okay, so we're gonna be... I'm putting these in this pocket because in my other pocket I have extra diapers for my niece and nephew, or nieces and nephews, but I only see 2 of them often. And then a lotion because I keep lotion in my car. So I'm putting this box of face masks in there. I could take them out so they're not in the box, but I mean, who really cares that much? I have these. I also got these from Amazon, but I'm not about to put these on in this video. I need help to put these on. Well, I don't need help, but I don't know how to do it, so my mom's gonna help me, but I'm not gonna do it in this video just because that's too much maneuvering around like my license plate, and I'm not that good with the blur function. I kind of suck with it, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I got these 2. So yeah, that's really cute. I'll link these 2 down below because I don't think I had them in my Amazon video just because I didn't get these in that when I ordered from there. I got these like a year ago. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I got these a year ago. Never put them on. So yeah, that's all I had for today. Next time I do like a car, I kind of want to do like a car tour video, but I just have to like drive somewhere that people won't recognize when I do that. But yeah, that's all I have for today. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next video.